What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and in this video we've got an amazing gadget from aosu. It's the SolarCam D1 MAX. This is the box that you get when you buy this item. Here we'll cover the unboxing, we'll see what's inside the box, we'll look at the accessories, we'll talk about the instructions and installation, and we'll also talk about the app. We'll look at the settings, we'll see what you can configure, the specific motion zones and the maps that you can create on the app. And there'll also be some sample footage, which is 3K resolution, that'll be shared. And you can look at that yourself and decide whether the camera is really worth buying. Taking a big leap, this specific item, it's called the D1 MAX by aosu. Stay till the end and we'll reveal a discount that is exclusively available at MyNextBest. So without any further ado, let's get started. What you get in this box is a 360 camera, which is 3K resolution. It's got pan, tilt and all those things. It's got a solar panel as well. It's high efficiency solar panel, and it can charge the battery, which is about 90 to 100 mAh, which can be charged in about 2-ish hours. The solar panel is quite efficient and it does charge the battery fairly quickly than any other solar cams that are available in the market. Now, other than the 360-degree coverage, as well as 3K resolution, as well as being solar powered, it's got many features on board. One of the biggest features is AI tracking. So it's got all AI features in there on board. Just like the Video Doorbell Ultra that we reviewed very recently, it's got the same set of features on board. It's all powered by pretty much the same set of features inside. It's able to differentiate between humans, pets and vehicles. When the car arrives at your door, your entrance, it just tracks that car, as well as pets, as well as humans. So it will turn and twist, pan and tilt, and all those things will happen automatically. It's also got this 400 lumen spotlight, so it can also turn on the light in the dark, as well as whenever it's needed. Other than that, it's got the customizable motion zones, as well as two-way talking. So if you drive in, if you're somewhere away, you can also talk to that specific person on the other side, and it can also track motion, and it can give you notifications, it can give you thumbnails, and all those good things are already available with this cam. Beyond that, it's also got wide applicability. You can use it for IoT specific purposes. You can trigger certain events using your Alexa and Google Home devices. It's fully integrated with the smart home ecosystem. Also, at the time when you're in a two-way conversation with, let's say, someone at the door, it also suppresses noise. So if there's external noise, it's got that noise suppression, noise reduction feature as well, which is really good. Sometimes there's a lot of vehicles on the road, and it does suppress that background noise and allows you to sort of interact nicely and in a better conversation with the person on the other side of the camera. Besides that, the distinguishing factor on this specific item is the camera itself. It's 3K, very nice, clear and crisp. The app, as we've talked about on the video we've done recently of the Video Doorbell Ultra, the app is very responsive. Whenever you've got a notification, click on that and it just opens instantly. Doesn't take much time. Yeah, it's better than the other cameras or other solar detection systems that we've reviewed very recently in the last 1 year or 2 years. One of the other things to point out is that normally with security cameras and all of those home security systems, you will never get the most accurate kind of cinematic video reproduction. That's because the fact that the images have to be compressed, the video notification and all those different things have to be compressed and then have to be delivered to your phone or your devices. So that takes quite a bit of effort to get all the processing that has to be done for that to be delivered, and also to be able to make accessible quickly. And also have made sure that all of those things are considered as well. Quick delivery, quick notifications, and nice and clean 3K footage. All of those things have been considered by aosu. They compress the videos nicely and it's all available locally and doesn't go anywhere onto the cloud and other things. It's all really nicely done within the device itself. Keeps your mind free, keeps you stress free. It also does all the AI stuff within the device itself. You can also take a leap forward and subscribe to facial recognition or Face AI. Allows you to tag family members with their names, and then you can get customized notifications based on whoever, let's say in your garden, your kids are running around. There's no other person in that specific frame. So that keeps all the things safe and secure. You get the right notifications to you. So all of those things have been thought really well by aosu, and we look at everything on this video.